Every leader believes their decisions are driven by experience, data, and rational thinking. Yet much of what shapes those decisions was inherited long before their first role. Not in boardrooms, not there, but at the kitchen table, in the way conflict, control, and success were handled at home. If you grew up in a household where one person always stepped in to fix every problem, you may carry that instinct into leadership. It looks like commitment from the inside. From the outside, it can feel like overreach. If you learned that tension is best avoided, you may delay difficult conversations, hoping they resolve themselves. And if achievement became intertwined with self-worth, every setback can feel personal, quietly steering your choices under pressure. These patterns were never chosen by you. They were quietly and unconsciously absorbed. This is where therapy becomes a vital leadership skill, not just a personal one. Executive coaching usually starts with the instincts you already have and helps you use them more effectively. Therapy asks a different set of questions. Where did this instinct come from? Does it still serve me, my team, and my organization? Instead of polishing your default reactions, therapy helps you examine them. It turns unconscious habits into conscious choices. In practice, therapy teaches leaders to notice their wiring in real time, not days later when the damage is done. You start to catch yourself and ask, am I stepping in because the situation needs me, or because responsibility has always felt like mine? Am I avoiding this conversation because it's strategically wise, or because I was taught that conflict is dangerous? Therapy builds the muscle of self-awareness. It narrows the gap between who you believe you are and how you actually show up around others. Executive coaching refines the leader you already are. It improves communication, decision-making, and performance in your current frame. Therapy challenges that frame. It asks deeper questions. It asks whether the instincts driving your leadership were designed for your childhood or for your organization today. A coached blind spot is still a blind spot. It's just a more polished one. As AI takes on more analysis and operational work, the uniquely human advantage is no longer raw intelligence. It is the uniquely human advantage of self-knowledge. AI can certainly model options, but it cannot tell you when you are clinging to control, chasing validation, or avoiding discomfort. The examined leader is the one who knows what inside them is driving the decision. Because the real question is not only, what should we do? It is, what part of me is answering?